Today we will see surface marking of lever. First we have to know these lines, vertical lines. This is mid-clavicular line, right mid-clavicular line. This is left mid-clavicular line, and this is mid-sternal line. Okay, this mid-sternal line passes through the mid mid part of this sternum. Then this mid-clavicular line, it passes through this vertical line passes through the midpoint of the clavicle. Okay. Then this one is subcostal plane. This one, subcostal plane. Then the another line is there. This is transpyloric line or plane, and this is transpyloric plane. And this transpyloric plane is an imaginary transverse plane lying halfway between the suprasternal, this is suprasternal nodes, and from the upper border of the pubic symphysis. From here and from here midpoint, this in the midpoint, this transpyloric plane is present. Then come to the this slide. Okay, here come to the surface marking of lung. So here this is through this mid sternal line passes left and right, then through this mid sternal line passes, and this is transpyloric plane. Okay, and first we have to draw uh, uh, first we will start now from the upper border of the lever, and we will start from the this left side. Okay, and for upper border, first point will be marked on the this left fifth intercostal space. This is the fifth intercostal space in the left side. First, second, and third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, here we mark the first point. Then the second point we have to mark just over the ciphisternal joint. Okay, here ciphisternal joint is present here, and just above the ciphisternal joint we mark the second point. Then third point we have to mark in the just lateral to the mid clavicular line, and at the level of the fifth costal cartilage. Okay, here we mark third point. Okay. Then now when we will join, this means connect these points, these 3 points 1, 2 and 3, then we get this is the upper border of the lever. Okay, then come to the lower border. For lower border, first point it will be same here in the fifth intercostal space. Then second point we have to draw here at the tip of the 8th costal cartilage. This is 8th costal cartilage, and this point is the tip of the 8th costal cartilage. Then third point we have to draw here at the midpoint part of the midline of the this transpyloric plane. Here third point, and fourth point we have to draw mark here at the tip of the 9 costal cartilage on the this right on the right this costal margin here. Then the then fifth point we have to mark here, that is 1 centimeter below the costal margin. This costal margin 1 centimeter below the costal margin. Here we get the tip point of the this 10 costal cartilage. Here we mark the fifth point. Then we join this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. Then we will get this right border. Then this come to the this lower border. Then come to the this right border. While we will join these 2 points, this one and this one, with say through the slightly convexity margin, we will get the right border of lever. And this is